Some world-famous scientists have already invented the vaccine for the remedy of this murderer disease. We are waiting for the nice gift of World Health Organizations. Man is for the sake of man. Life is for the help of life. I am alone, but unitedly we are not alone. Nearly we will enter in our normal life. We like to have dream again, we want to rise up with fresh morning. We do believe that we shall overcome. We should bear it in our mind. No pleasure is permanent in our life. At the same time, no pain is prolonged effective through the human society. Everybody please comes forward. We have to think faithfully, talk carefully, work positively. Thank you so much for staying with me.
Thanks to Aruni Hawk. Now, I would like to present you the history of America. America's history is quite long. In 10th or 11th century, for the first time, some Western European Norse sailors set sail for America and they set colony in this place. However, due to war with Native Americans, they had to leave America. Later on 1492, Christopher Columbus set sail for North Atlantic with a view to finding new business route for business. On his way, he discovered America. The newly discovered land was named as New World. Gradually, European countries set colony on America, and as they set colony in America, different kind of European culture entered with them. However, in 1776, America declared independence against European countries, and they won. This was the first time when a colonial country won against colonial rulers. After the America won, George Washington was selected as the President of America. However, though the Europeans left America, their culture stayed in that place. And one of the worst of European cultures was slavery. So, because of slavery, the America divided into two parts, northern and southern. The northern part was against slavery and southern was with slavery. So the third American president, Abraham Lincoln, took the side of north and started a war against slavery. And as the northern part won, the slavery was out of America forever. And even after that, after a lot of whipshill, we got our present America. Thank you. Now, I would like to invite Mohammad Jannatin Naim to tell us something about American culture.
Hello everyone. I am Naim. I would like to tell something about American culture. The national cloth of American man is shirt, jeans and cowboy hat, and the woman cloth is shirt and long skirt. And the national food of America is chicken fry, beer and snacks. And the main religion of America is Christian. And the American natives are mainly American Indian. Thank you.
Thanks to Jannatin Naim. Now Orpita will tell us something about attractive places in America.
Hello everyone, it's me Orpita Rai, student of Kaliganj Korimuddin Public Pilot High School. Now I will speak out about the topic of most important places in America. If we think about America, the first thing that comes to our head is the Statue of Liberty. It is situated at the New York. The another most of the attractive spot of America is Mount Rushmore. It is a national memorial spot in America. It is located in South Dakota. The other most important places in America are the Pike Place Market in Seattle, the Yellowstone, the city of Manhattan in the bridge and the Golden Bridge of San Francisco. These are the most important places in Americas. So I invite you all to visit these places. Thank you so much for staying with me.
Thanks to Orpita. Now I would like to invite Tahia to tell us something about American education.
Hello audience, it's me Tahia, student of Kaligons Koramudin Public Pilot High School. Now I am going to offer a speech about America's education system. America's education system is one of the remarkable education system all over the world, which is provided in public, private and home schools. Around age 6 USA children begin primary school, which is most commonly called American system. Thank you.
Thanks. Now Bunon will tell us about American economy.
Hello audience, at first take my salam, assalamu alaikum. It's me Mahiatul Janat Bunon, student of class 8. Now I am going to speak out about American's economy. Economically, America is the most powerful country in the world. America's GDP is equal to 33.06% of world's economy. Many countries in the world depends on America's economy. In 2019, America import 58% of total products from Canada, China, Mexico, Japan and Germany. However, in the middle of 2018, America started a trade war against China. Due to this trade, many countries bought a lot of faced casualties. According to Trading Economics, America growth 2.1% in 2019. America growth highest in 1950 and lowest was 1958. In America's GDP, nominals are 20 trillion and GDP per capita 54,541. Thank you all for giving me your valuable time.
Thanks to Bunon. Now I would like to invite Orpita again to tell us an American poem.
Now I will presenting a poem of S.T. Eliot. This poem is song. It is space and time, as suggests say, are which things cannot be. They fly, the leaves in a single day. Has lived as long as we, but life has tried while we may eat, while yet we may, while love and free their life. Thank you.
Now Ridho will tell us about American sports.
Good morning audience, this is me Muhammad Mahdi Hussain Ridho. Thanks all for coming here. My topic is about American sports. America's sports is the most important part of America. In America, every students are interested in sports. They all play sport and they all learn sports. However, America's football is the most popular sport in America, followed by baseball, basketball and ice hockey. Baseball is the national sport of America. The four major leagues are MLB, NBA, NFL and NHL. Thank you all.
Okay, we have presented a lot of speech, so I think everyone is feeling boring. So Arafat and Ridho will present a American hip hop dance that's famous all over the world.
so sad? Why do you get that sad? All your crime, all your pain makes you think for sleeping. Do everything to strain yourself. Put your all feelings on the fucking shelf. Do you believe in God? Do you believe in fame? Dude, stop! Get your head in the game. Cause this is what we are living in. I cannot force to do anything. It's up to you. Want to change the world to something great and mark my word.
But I believe in you because you got motivation. With this motivation, you can ace your frustration. But you are the creator, be your own innovator. I can only inspire you to do everything better. Recreate what you thought you already had. Start everything new and leave behind all the sad. Because these feelings of hesitation and stress prevent you from doing your best. Don't stop until you finish the rest. Mark my words deeply on your chest. Cross your heart and hope to die. Don't you give up. Don't you lie.